Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So I've got an unboxing of Papercraft Society. This is box number 21. I know I've just done box 24, which I shared the unboxing, which was my own box that I designed. But I like to collect these myself. I love using these boxes, and I had subscribed before I started being able to design my own as well. So I do want to still keep doing the unboxings. They may be a little bit later, but also the boxes do sometimes go into open stock, so they're available then for you to purchase even if you don't subscribe, and there is still some boxes available of this kit, so I thought it was still good to share it. This one is absolutely beautiful. I love Helen's boxes. She always does really nice ones, and I think the actual detail on the box to make it look like a suitcase is really cool. So it's a travel theme. Again, I always say whatever the pattern on the colours and stuff that are shown on the box is an idea of what your papers are going to be like inside. So here it says, I love making mini albums, so I'm delighted to bring you this beautiful box of memory keeping supplies. Helen is known for doing her mini albums and all of that memory keeping, as well as her 3D projects. So this is Helen here. We'll have a little look through that in a moment. You get your envelope and also your tissue paper, which I've had a little look in. So we'll look at the envelope first. Now, I was lucky to do some of the inspiration for the booklet, but I don't always get to see everything because we get sent very small amount and we get kind of our brief and told that they want us to focus on that. So it's always nice to then, you know, get it all when it looks like this. Okay, so as always, you get your envelope with the 3 pockets. So it says memory making made easy. Have you caught the mini album bug yet? And mini albums make the perfect gifts. I tell you, my mum has definitely caught the mini album bug, that's for sure. She makes loads now. So first of all, we'll look at the dies. I'm just bringing this piece of cardstock so we can see here. So of course it's going to make some kind of mini album. We've got a tab here, which could be a pocket, I'm guessing. And then you've got here, these look like the pages because there's the score line there as well. Hopefully there's not glare showing there. This looks like a corner. It's like a little tuck spot because there's your tabs. These look like little photo corners. This is a decorative corner, I think. More photo corners, little tags. That's a tab die. And there's another little gift tag inside there. More corner. These look like to put your photos in. So they will cut that little curve detail so you can pop the photos in there. And then you've got some little flourishes there as well. So that's the die set, which I'm sure you're going to be able to do lots with. Now the stamp set I have seen, because I got to work with this. I loved colouring this one here. Such a cute little suitcase. And then you've got some script, some font there. Sorry you're leaving, adventure. And then you've got your luggage stamps. So you've got Canada, France and London. You've got a postage stamp corner there, which is nice. It's been franked. Good luck on your new adventure. And you've got special friend, new plane, new dreams, new memories. Always together, never apart. Maybe in distance, but never in heart. That's lovely. Really like that one. And then you've got a pretty flourish there and there, and that corner one as well. So some really nice stamps in that one. And then these here are your pattern papers. You get this beautiful navy, it's got a navy background with the pink florals there, and you can see those luggage stamps. And then this is the one that's on the front of the box. Yeah, so it's got that floral flourish there, you can see on the front. Beautiful, that is really nice. Again, I've not seen these papers, so I'm looking forward to using those. And then you've got these tags, so I'm guessing the die may cut them, but if not, they're very easy to just cut using your scissors or a trimmer. Really pretty. Again, you get 2 of those. And then this one here is also the one that's on the front, but they've done it with the craft background, but you can see the planes flying around there. Really nice. That one I did use because my brief was to do some masculine makes. So I remember I was sent that paper because I think that's the one that I inked up a bit. It was a while ago now, so apologies there. And then this here, again, this wasn't on my brief to use, but these look like frames. Now I don't have anything like this. These look like they're laser cut. So it's a very fine, yeah, it's definitely it's almost maybe like a balsa wood. Now, I guess you could use that side and ink it up if you wanted to. You could probably emboss that as well, but then you do have the gold side. Now, those are just pieces that have fallen out, which you don't need. But if I just see how I can pop this one out, I can imagine they're very delicate. Let's do this side here. Yeah. Oh, it looks like, oh, I've got 2 pages. Okay. I thought then I'd split it in half. That would make, now it pops out really easy. So you get 2, which is great. But you'll see there, if I just take this very delicate rose out, you could probably get away with using this as a stencil as well. There you go. So you could paper piece behind that. I quite like the thought of being able to ink it up myself because it's 3D, because obviously it's got that depth. So just check there are 2. Yeah, 2. So that's really good. So again, it's nice to have something a bit different because I've never used that kind of thing before. So I would definitely be having a play around. I'm going to just pop that back in there because it's almost, there we go, just pops in. And I'm going to sandwich it between the papers so nothing catches on it. So that's what you get in the envelope. So this is what you get in your tissue. So you get 2 ink pads, lovely hot pink, like magenta colour there. Really nice. They're always really juicy and they're a hybrid ink, so you can use them as water as well. And then you've got that lovely navy colour. I did see these. They're really cute little paper clips. They're great for the mini albums because you can pop photos in them, your photo mats, all kinds of things. Just to, you know, maybe your travel boarding passes, things like that, you can clip in there. Looks really nice. Then you get your information card. So many variations. What will you make? This one here is a mini album construction guide. I'm not going to read through all of that now. It looks like it's got a lot of information there for us, but I will certainly have a read through when I go to use this box. I like to keep mine all together. So I have this ring binder. Lots of you would have seen me share this in other unboxing videos. If this is something new, you've just joined my channel, check out the unboxing playlist because I have loads, well, I have them all from the very first box. They're all on there. So it's something you can really have a look at, watch a few of them, and if you feel like you really enjoy them, then have a little look at the subscriptions because you can also opt in, you know, so if you decide 1 month you don't like it, then you can opt back out, or you can choose a longer subscription. But yeah, I like to keep them all together, so I'll add that one with the rest. And then here you have your cardstock. It's quite a thick stack here. Okay, so you've got your cream colour there. You've got the pink, which is pretty much bang on the same colour as the tissue paper. Again, my favourite colour. And then you get that kind of denim blue. Then you've got more of a, that looks like a pale pink. It's not white. If I put the white down next to it, you can see the difference there. So that's more of a blush, I'd say, a blush colour. And then you've got the craft card. So you've got more craft card there for making the mini album, the covers, I would say. So you've got lots there. So plenty of cardstock along with your pattern paper there for you to use. And then the booklet that you get, so you usually get around 15 inspirational projects in here to follow with the step-by-steps. So again, for anybody new who's never seen this before, you always get your introduction, your contents, everything there. And then you can see already Helen's starting to give you some step-by-step instructions on how to make your mini album there. So you can see how it all starts to come together with the pages. You can see the little dividers there, all the other bits, the tags and stuff that I've showed you. There's the front, which looks really nice. I like that. It looks like a postcard. And there's another version here, so you can see all the different pages like a waterfall card. And because I make cards, I will more than likely use this kit for card making rather than mini albums. A little bit about Helen, another step-by-step there on how to create this look. Really pretty card. And then Nikki's made some cards there. This was a masculine make that I made, so I made a suitcase. Really enjoyed that one actually. So you can see the paper I used, and then I just distressed it and used the little tags and the stamp. This one's titled The Travelling Man, and I'll give you your instructions there. And then I've done this simple make here, Sorry You're Leaving, which I thought was really nice. And then finishes off with some more from Helen. This one here looks like a, these are off the page ideas. So this looks like a memo board. Or is another, no, it's another kind of, it's almost like a document wallet, sorry. There is a score line there. Yeah, it's like a little document wallet, but as a mini album. And there's the front of it there. Yeah, sorry, there she said it's a wallet. This one here is like a staple project from Helen. I've seen her, she's got dies that make similar to this as well, but she shows you how to make it using the craft card there. And I imagine you could pop a little mini album inside that if you wanted to. And then there's some of Helen's collection. Here's using one of those frames, going for gold. The gold frames in the kit are so versatile. Lou shows that they can be made for so much more than picture framing with these gorgeous trio of cards. So our lovely Lou Collins has done some cards using those. She got that one. This one here where she's trimmed them all, like snipped into them. And then this one here. So that's everything in the kit. I'll link directly to this kit in the description box below, but also I'll have another link which will take you to the Papercraft Society subscription. So maybe you are interested, you want to find out a little bit more. If you click on that, it will give you all of your subscription packages. Like I said, you have the month to month, which you can opt in and out. I think you can pause it as well, and then you just start it up again when you see a box that you like. I know that one's, a lot of people go for that one, but that one works out the more expensive one. Then you have your quarterly, your 6 monthly, and then of course your yearly, which works out the cheapest option. I think it works out the boxes come in around £18 or £19 each if you go for the yearly. Obviously then they increase in value, but it's all there. Check it out, and like I said, look at the open stock as well with that link, because I know there's some other kits, like previous kits there, that you might like as well. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back again hopefully soon sharing some fun tutorials using this product. Bye.